Welcome back to another edition of History in Your Own Backyard. I'm Satoli. Today we're in Franklin, Indiana, where we came across this old footbridge. Stay tuned and I'll tell you all about it. Built in 1935, the Canary Ditch Bridge has an unusual history in name and origin. The bridge was originally located southwest of Morgantown, Indiana, and named the Whetstine Road Bridge as it sat on Whetstine Road. This riveted Warren steel pony truss bridge is 75 feet long and originally spanned Indian Creek. I'm very familiar with it as we used to do automobile road rally events in the area, and this bridge was located on the road course. In 2010, the bridge was replaced and transported to Johnson County in Franklin, Indiana, where it was restored and incorporated into a walking trail carrying hikers safely over Canary Ditch. When many historic bridges are replaced, they end up in the scrapyard to be recycled. However, this bridge was lucky enough to find a good home where it will be enjoyed for many years into the future. Good job, Franklin, Indiana. Thanks for watching another edition of History in Your Own Backyard. Today we were in Franklin, Indiana, checking out this old bridge. Hope you enjoyed it. And remember, travel slowly and stop often. We'll see you next time. Bye.